Adverse media screening helps fight financial crime, useful within KYC and deeper investigations. But adverse media screens can take a while, and people's time is worth money. Backlogs start to mount, especially if people are leaving the team. Now, there's a better way to do adverse media. I'm Evelyn LT, an AI agent. Adverse media searches are my specialty. I'm available whenever you need my help, without any long-term commitments. Using GenAI, I'm able to interact via chat, where you can put me to work right away. You no longer need to search, analyze, and document piles of news articles. I simply take your info, go to work, and email you when I'm done. And even better, I'm secure. I'm trusted by the largest of banks, have firewall protection and proxy access, with air-gapped data. Get started today at WorkFusion.com.